You might have forgotten your Temu account's password and want to recover it but don't know how to do it. Well, in that case, I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to recover your Temu account's password. So without any delay, let's get back into the video. Make sure to install a Temu app just like me. Now what you can do is tap on this Temu app just like this. Now tap on this U option on the bottom center here. You'll get an option of sign in or register. Tap on sign in or register. So here you can see that you can either enter your email address or phone number to continue it. I had created my account with an email address, so I'm going to enter my email address. You can also do the same as per your preference. After this, tap on continue option below. So here, now you need to enter your password, but since we're trying to recover it and we have totally forgotten our password, or even like if you haven't forgotten, maybe we want to change it. So in that case, tap on forgot password just below sign in option here. And then you can see that you will get a confirmation code or anything that will be sent to your youconspiring@gmail.com. That is your email address. So to get it, tap on the submit option below here. Now they have just sent a verification step. We need to go to our email address and check it. You can also do the same. I'm going to go to my email address. So on the top, you can see that here is a password reset confirmation code. That is a reset code. I have already tapped on it on the notification. You can also do the same. So I'm going to copy it. You can also do the same. As you've copied it, go back to your own section of Temu account reset code here and then paste it just like this. So you can see that now you can enter a password you would like to associate with your account now. That means you can create a new password for yourself, and that must be minimum 6 characters required. I'm going to do it. You can also do the same. So when you've done it, tap on submit option. So you can see that your password has been reset. Now tap on continue shopping below. And yes, just by doing it, you have successfully recovered your own Temu account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.